Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix audio sound in CapCut. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, open your CapCut application on your phone, and after that import your video to CapCut. And this is my video that I have just imported, and I'm going to play the video first, and you can see that the sound of my video is so weak. So I'm going to make it strong. I'm going to increase the volume, and then the first thing we have to do is clicking on the video like this, and after that we just need to scroll all the way to the right like this. Then you have to find the volume option. So this is the volume option. Tap on it, then you can increase the volume by dragging the circle to the right like this. And now just play the video.
Hello guys, I record this video.
Okay, and it's better, right? And then just click on this check mark button. Then if you want to reduce the noise, you just need to scroll all the way to the right again until you find reduce noise. And this is the reduce noise feature. Tap on it, then click on this toggle button. Okay, and now the noise reduction is in progress.
Just for an
And then we can click on the check mark after we're done. And okay guys, that's how we can fix audio sound of our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.